Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and today we're gonna be talking about journals. And for nobody is a secret that AI is here and it is full of information. You just need to ask a question and AI is gonna give you the most appropriate answer, but you need to have consciousness about how to ask and what are you looking for. So in this episode I'm going to tell you what ChatGPT told me about fairy journal. So I asked the AI information about these journals because I wanted to identify them. I want to know more about them even when I create them and I know the feeling that is behind of all of them. I wanted to do something else, something different, and I wanted to know what the machine and the artificial intelligence was going to tell me about my journal. So let's dive in. So this fairy journal, it says this description here, and it's pretty long. Let's see, let's start. I'm gonna share it with you right now. For the fairies, let's take this here and let's start. Fairy journal. Step into the realm of magic and whimsy with a fairy journal. This exquisitely handcrafted journal is more than just a book. It's a portal to a world where fairies dance on moonlight meadows and every leaf tells a tale. Discover your inner fairy connection. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of fairies with captivating journal. Whether you believe in these magical beings or simply find joy in this fantasy book, Enchanted Whispers invites you to explore your own fairy connection. Whimsical illustrations. Embark on a visual journey through whimsical illustrations that adorn the pages and let your thoughts flow alongside delicate fairy wings, mystical flowers, and charming creatures, creating a truly magical experience. Botanical elegance. The journal contains plant illustrations that complements the enchanting content within. Whether you are a seasoned fairy enthusiast or someone seeking a touch of magic in your everyday life, Enchanted Whispers, a fairy journal, is a delightful companion that invites you to embrace the enchantment that surrounds us. Purchase your copy now and let the fairies guide you and guide your pen into a world of wonders and dreams. What a beautiful thing is telling AI about my fairy journal. I really love it. And as you can see, the world is turning into something very, very different now. I appreciate that I already have a lot of education and preparation so we can face the change that the world is having. So I'm gonna keep this inside the journal because it's a description that goes really, really close with my feelings when I first finish and complete this journal. And that's why I wanted to share it with you. Look at this beautiful bird with this texturized little detail here. So I see you soon in another Artful for Journal Bliss. Bye friends. Bye bye. Now I know and now you know about AI and journals. Bye friends. Take care. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up and comment down below. What do you think about AI and journals and your daily life? Let me know.